Who's king?
You're calling
So,
now.
so there's another thing out there. So all men, okay, they think they need to be respected by all women.
Because I'm a man, goddammit.
I've seen that too. I've seen that play out. Me, I believe all humans should
Right.
be respected, right?
No. I'm a
You
man.
just mess up our video.
No, sorry.
You better remove that. Yeah, because
No.
I need the chat to become.
F all that. I'm a man. You respect me first. Right? Of course, this triggers certain type of men, right?
What do you mean?
What do you mean? We should hold them accountable. Well, maybe you should read the full article and listen all over again, but we'll do our best to, reiterate some of them. Step 2, engage in finite patience, right? We'll talk about infinite patience all the time. It's damn near impossible for a man to be patient indefinitely.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So if I anything we suggest to you is easier said than done, and because it tends to be a little bit hard, people will call it there's no range, and it just sounds too simple, but that's exactly why you're kicking against it. But step 3, focus on giving, right? Giving when there's give and take. What do you mean? That's the point of focusing, because we know you would naturally want to take. Right?
Yeah.
But we're asking you to focus on giving for a reason. We'll talk about that in a second. Step 4, avoid keeping scores with your wife, competing with your wife, right? And this step 4 is very important. And step 5, let's see what step 5 is. Engage self-development, right? Why would anyone kick against self-development? Because we never really addressed the person who is disrespectful anyway, right? So let's see what he said. Let's get into what Mighty Lion said. So Mighty Lion left this comment. He said, there is no useful advice in here at all, other than to keep accepting rubbish, right? It does not even answer David's question. So there was a story of David. There was a David in the video that we answered this question and we gave these 5 tips.
Right.
It does not even ask. So we're just going to consider Mighty Lion David, right? Since he doesn't feel like we've helped. David's question on how to deal with issue, I guess the issue, right? And then it continues. So basically, still be accepting the bullshit. What was taught here was not a bit useful, as it still caters to the wife or woman's need. Honestly, there's no critical advice. There's no range. He's saying we didn't go, it sounds too plain.
Okay.
Right?
Sounds not deep
plain.
enough for
Go
Mighty
deep.
Lion.
It's not deep for Mighty Lion. That's useful. What's your take on this, babe?
I don't know. The part that I can see that is so funny to me is where he quoted himself, Mighty Lion. So
that's his name.
So I can just imagine.
That's his name on YouTube.
I mean,
shout out to Mighty Lion. Thanks for the
I'm
comment.
just saying. I don't know what to say to that. Maybe he can relate to the guy. Maybe he's going through that.
Clearly, Mighty Lion has attracted a disrespectful wife.
Yeah.
But he doesn't like the part of he attracted the... He would rather say a disrespectful wife is just intentionally and deliberately being disrespectful. Which, yes, some women can be.
Yeah, but see, this part of holding women accountable without holding yourself accountable, I'm sorry, it's just not going to work. Because holding people accountable without first addressing the fact that you said right now,
right?
He attracted this. You attracted this disrespectful woman.
But wait.
How did we
Let me
get
play
to
the
point?
devil's advocate.
I know, you are so good at doing that.
What do you mean? Excuse me. Sorry. Let me put this here so I can stay warm a little bit down here. Thank you. So, what do you mean attracted when this woman is just a disrespectful woman?
What did you see in the woman when you started dating
Wait,
her?
why should I have to take accountability for her own disrespectful behavior? she's disrespectful and we should hold her accountable and tell her to her face she should go sit down somewhere, go back to her father's house, or kick her to the curb.
To me, that's just an incomplete story. When people come to you and tell you, oh, she's just disrespectful, he's just horrible, he's evil, is this. I need to hear the full story. You can't come to me and tell me one side of the story and expect me to judge on that. I'm not a judge. I am not a judge. The best thing I can do for you is tell you as a person how to have self-respect for yourself. If you don't like the situation that you're in, you can step aside for a moment so you can access your situation and see how you can move
some people say
forward.
So babe, some people say we should judge. We should start shaming. Shaming should come back to style. What you want me? Shaming needs to come back to style.
And what do I say to people like that?
What do you say, babe?
They're miserable. They're trying to drag you with their nonsense. I'm sorry, I won't do that.
If you think shaming must come back to style before you can attract the right type of wife or the right behavior from your wife. Okay, so let's process this. So let's shame your wife so that she can behave properly.
No, so you
Is
can
this how this?
No. So you can feel good. You can feel like a
So
man.
I can feel better
Right
about
now.
myself.
Yeah, let me shame your wife. That's what you want.
That's shaming instead of sign language. You're trying to shame me to admitting rubbish. And I will not be admitting rubbish from no woman. Admitting rubbish from a woman is just a simp behavior. I will not be as y'all women, modern women must be called to order. Order in the house.
No wonder you're miserable. I'm sorry. I can't relate.
I'm miserable.
To that one.
That's what we've been talking about. Now you're calling a whole man, a king, miserable.
Who's king?
Me.
Who's king?
You're calling
So there's another thing out there. So all men, okay, they think they need to be respected by all women.
Because I'm a man, goddammit.
I've seen that too. I've seen that play out. Me, I believe all humans should be respected, right?
No. I'm a
You
man.
just mess up our video.
No, sorry.
You better remove that. Yeah, because
No.
I need the chat to become
F all that. I'm a man. You respect me first.